Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SurveyMonkey with Typeform, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect SurveyMonkey with Typeform, begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Next, access your Typeform account in a separate tab. Navigate to the SurveyMonkey integration page within Typeform. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to log in to your SurveyMonkey account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, authorize Typeform to access your SurveyMonkey account. After granting permission, return to the Typeform integration page. Select the specific SurveyMonkey survey you wish to connect with Typeform. Configure any settings or options as prompted by Typeform. Once configured, click on the Save button to finalize the connection. Now, go back to your Typeform dashboard. Create a new form or select an existing form that you wish to link to SurveyMonkey. Utilize the integration features to import your SurveyMonkey data. Test the connection by sending a response through your Typeform. Check your SurveyMonkey account to ensure the data syncs correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth flow of information. Finally, monitor both platforms to confirm that the integration continues to function effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.